Get ready to experience browsing like never before. Google Chrome is entering a new era powered by Gemini to make your online life easier, more productive, and safer. Now, Gemini is built right into Chrome for Mac and Windows. In fact, users in the US can now use it without needing a paid Google AI subscription. It's your personal AI assistant that can help you make sense of all your open tabs. Planning a trip or researching a project, just ask Gemini to compare and summarize information across multiple pages to find exactly what you need. Gemini also connects with your favorite Google apps, so you can get quick summaries of YouTube videos faster. And you can even do other things, like create calendar events without needing to leave your browser. Isn't that awesome? Take a look at this working. That's so cool. This is all about helping you stay in the flow. Now, we are also bringing the power of AI to your search via the address bar. So if you're used to AI mode, you're going to love this. You can ask longer, more complex questions and get helpful, organized answers quickly. So here we've got some really detailed responses. Very cool. We've also got the sources if you want to dig in deeper there. Now, I love this. We can ask follow-ups. This new way of searching can help you find the perfect information with less hassle. So we can continue this conversation, right? Very, very cool. Now, we've also been making some other expansions to this work, including contextual search. So contextual search surfaces suggestions in the Omnibox to make this even more powerful. So with AI mode in the address bar, you can get prompts about what kinds of questions to follow up with and get a helpful AI-generated overview right alongside your browsing. And we're just getting started here. Soon, Gemini is going to be able to recall pages from your history and even be able to help with other kinds of tasks like ordering groceries. Here's an example of Chrome's agentic capabilities used with Instacart. So you're able to ask it to complete a multiple step journey and have it help you out. Super, super nice. We're also enhancing online safety and smarter predictions. The future of browsing is here. If you're ready to check it out in action, visit our YouTube channel and read our latest blog post. Check out the new AI-powered Google Chrome. Thank you.